Tips for choosing the best toilet bowl cleaner for you. The type of toilet bowl cleaner best suited for you depends on the stains you deal with and how often you clean. If you have hard water and your toilet's prone to rings or rust, look for a product with a hard water formulation. On the other hand, if you don't clean often, an automatic tablet is a better choice. Toilet bowl cleaner reviews. We've broken down the highest rated toilet bowl cleaners by category so you can choose the best solution for your household. There are many products available to choose the best 5 toilet bowl cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the toilet bowl cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Clorox Toilet Wand Disposable Toilet Cleaning. If you want to avoid a dripping toilet bowl brush, try the Clorox Toilet Wand Disposable Cleaning System. The wand comes with disposable pads that you can drop in the trash after each use. Using the Clorox Toilet Wand is simple. Click a cleaning sponge into place, wipe your toilet bowl, and then pop the sponge off to discard. Each cleaning sponge comes preloaded with Clorox cleaner to break down stains and disinfect. The Clorox Toilet Wand system is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars by over 46,000 reviewers. Top reviewers love that this system is more hygienic than a standard toilet brush. Most negative reviewers have had bad experiences with the wand breaking. Pros: more sanitary than a typical toilet bowl brush. Cleans and disinfects a toilet. Disposable sponges have preloaded Clorox cleaner. Cons: must keep a stock of disposable sponges. Some complaints of the sponges snapping off the wand. Number 2. Clorox Ultra Clean Bleach and Blue Tablets. Clorox Ultra Clean Bleach and Blue Tablets are ideal for anyone wanting to repel toilet stains and prolong the time between cleanings. To use these tabs, drop one in your toilet tank. The cleaner will release with every flush. One tablet lasts 4 months, depending on how often you use the toilet. When the toilet water no longer looks blue, it's time to add a new tab. While these tablets will help prevent stains from forming, you'll still need to scrub with your toilet bowl brush at least once per week. The Clorox Ultra Clean Bleach and Blue Tablets have 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 36,000 reviewers. Top reviews claim these tablets help reduce scrubbing and keep the bathroom smelling clean. Some complain that these tabs leave a thin residue on the toilet that you must scrub off. Pros: reduces stain buildup and water rings. One tablet lasts for 4 months. It kills 99.9% of bacteria. Cons: it may leave a blue residue on the toilet bowl. Number 3. Iron Out Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. If you have hard water and experience rust in your toilet, Iron Out Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner is a good choice. Before using the automatic tablets, you'll need to use Iron Out Toilet Bowl Powder or spray to clean the rust from your toilet. Then, place one of the tablets in your toilet's tank. With each flush, some of the solution will release into your toilet bowl, repelling rust and hard water buildup. Each tablet lasts up to 45 days. Iron Out Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner is rated 4 out of 5 stars by over 12,000 users. Top reviews state that these tablets have eliminated rust and iron in their toilets. But many negative reviewers complained of no effect. Pros: eliminate stains caused by hard water. Long-lasting automatic tablets. It helps prevent toilet rings. Cons: must use Iron Out spray or powder first. Number 4. Pumice Stone Toilet Cleaner. For stubborn toilet rings, try the Pumice Stone Toilet Cleaner. You can use this product to scrub off stains and rings before selecting a cleaning solution. If you have a stubborn ring and other products didn't work to eliminate it, a Pumice stone is your best. To use this, wipe it on stains and toilet rings. Then, rinse the stone and toilet afterward. The long wand on this toilet Pumice stone makes for easy reaching, and it won't scratch your toilet bowl. The Pumice Stone Toilet Cleaner is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 2,000 past customers. Top reviewers are amazed that this product got rid of their toilet ring. There are some complaints about the handle breaking, though. Pros: eliminate toilet bowl rings. Cleans without harsh chemicals. It comes in a 2-pack. Cons: the handle may break if you push too hard. Number 5. Scrubbing Bubbles Bubbly Bleach Gel. Scrubbing Bubbles Bubbly Bleach Gel is an excellent choice if you're looking for a foamy clean. It goes on as a gel and begins to foam as you scrub. The Scrubbing Bubbles Bubbly Bleach Gel has a long neck, making it easy to squirt underneath the toilet rim. To use it, squirt gel underneath the edge, coating the toilet bowl. Then scrub with your toilet bowl brush and flush to rinse. Leave the product on stains for several minutes before scrubbing it off. Scrubbing Bubbles Bubbly Bleach Gel has a 4.5 out of 5 star rating from more than 100 reviewers. A top review states that this product leaves the toilet cleaner than other products. One negative reviewer believes the smell is too strong. Pros: foams while it cleans. The long neck makes it easy to reach under the rim. Works well as a cleaner before using the Scrubbing Bubbles stamp. Cons: the smell may be overwhelming to some. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or if you want to know the product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool product. Is it going to make your life much easier? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.